Hi ladies, Shelli, Pelly, Honey Parker Confidential. Welcome to my kitchen in Solana Beach, California. All right, today we're going to make a healthy, figure-friendly acai bowl. Why do I say figure-friendly? Because I had one of my followers on the blog ask me if acai bowls were good for you. And I know what she meant. She meant, is it good to have if you are wanting to lose or maintain weight? So the short answer is this, they can be. They can be if they're made right. If you're piling them full of honey and granola and nut butters and all that stuff, the calories can quickly rack up. And so I am making one that is figure friendly. Oliver and I go to Park City every Christmas and we love this little breakfast place that's all organic and homemade and non-GMO, super good. I order their acai bowl, but you know, I know that it's just completely packing on the bounds because it's full of all the good stuff. So this, we are going to make. The recipe link is down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also I've included for you a free download of our 5 most popular smoothies, and the link is down below. All right, here's what we're gonna do. Now, normally you'll want to use a Vitamix if you have one, and the reason for that is because it's going to make your bowl a lot thicker. Our Vitamix conked out after 10 years, so I don't have it. I have a high-powered blender, so big deal. We're gonna make it in a high-powered blender. It will probably be a little more soupy than what a regular acai bowl would be, but honestly, I like it that way. So here's how we make it. All right, I'm starting with 1 packet of acai berries, and you can get this in almost any supermarket freezer section. Be sure to get it unsweetened, no added sugars, because we don't want that, do we? I also add in a banana, some Greek plain yogurt, a handful of spinach because it's a superfood, it's a green obviously, and you will never taste it, but it's a good way to sneak it in. I just do maybe a 1/4 cup of frozen cherries. You can use any berry you like. Berries are very low on the glycemic index, which is why I love having them, and full of fiber and antioxidants. A scant 1/2 cup of blueberries, so you see I'm even keeping the fruit to a dull roar. A scoop of protein powder, right? And now I'm not putting any sweeteners, any nut butters, nothing in it. Nothing, honey, because you don't need it. Let me grab my lid. And you're going to put in just a little bit of almond milk, just a little, because you kind of want it to be thick, all right? So I'm gonna start with maybe a 1/4 cup. And because I have a high-powered blender and not a Vitamix, I'm probably gonna have to stop it a few times and tap it down. Be sure to stop the motor first before you do that, because it could be deadly. And here we go. That's the bowl. And you guys, it's got a lot of protein because I put the protein powder in there. I have the spinach, which is good for your skin. It also helps to fight bloatiness and all of those good fiber berries. And you just pour it in a shallow bowl. You want the bowl to be shallow so that you can put all your goodies on it. Okay? That. And then we're just gonna put our toppings. And I keep the toppings to a dull roar too. So berries, again, berries are good. I just put a little bit of, I used blueberries here, some blackberries. Now yours may not sink if your bowl is a little thicker than mine. I just put maybe, you know, a 1/3 of the banana alongside. A tablespoon of unsweetened coconut. That adds a nice little chewiness to it. And then I just put a tablespoon of chopped pistachio nuts on it. And this is delicious. It's so good and it's so refreshing. Now, I wouldn't have this for a snack because I think it's a little high in calories for a snack for women. I would have this as like a nice treat, like instead of ice cream or frozen yogurt or anything like that, I would probably have this as a treat, or I would have it as a light meal replacement. You're getting a lot of protein in there, you're getting fiber, you're getting antioxidants, and you're getting a little bit of the greens from the spinach. Okay, ladies, and that is the dish. The recipe is down below in the video description, along with the free download of our top 5 smoothies. And for health, wellness, beauty, fitness, and all things healthy living, be sure to visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.